April 30th, 6:14. Just drove from work to home. Same problem as this morning. Same problem as usual. The TCM still showing transmission temperature even though I'm in park. So I know if I switch the engine off now and I go to restart, just wait for all the instruments to come up. Still showing transmission temperature. Should be showing engine temp, so 213. Showing transmission temp, so I know it's not going to restart. Nothing. So, take the brake off. Neutral, let's roll it a little bit down the hill, down my drive. See if we can just jiggle it back in. Tried this morning for, there it goes. Alright, so you see the transmission temperature just jumped to 215 degrees, so it is now showing the coolant temperature. So now the TCM knows the Jeep is in park, and I will turn the key and Jeep starts.